Hello and welcome to the Weather Now podcast, a production by yours truly, Leslie, River, and Danielle. Today we'll be talking about ice storms. We will be discussing the history, what causes it, and how you can stay safe.
One historical event of ice storms was in January of 2007. In Oklahoma and Arkansas, tens of thousands were without power for several days. 85 people were killed during this storm. Another ice storm was in January of 1998. 35 were killed and left over 3 million people without power for a month and a half in Canada and New York. In January 2009, a massive storm came through Arkansas and Kentucky. 2 million people were without power and 55 were killed.
Freezing rain is made entirely of liquid droplets. The raindrops become supercooled while passing through a sub-freezing layer of air many hundreds of feet above the surface, then freeze upon impact with any object they encounter. This creates a glaze over trees, cars, houses, and roads. A storm that produces a significant thickness of glaze ice from freezing rain is referred to as an ice storm. Freezing rain is difficult to forecast. When attempting to forecast a freezing rain event, meteorologists measure temperatures precipitation will pass through on its descent. This determines how precipitation will fall. The slightest change in temperatures make all the difference, so forecasting can be faulty and deadly ice storms can come unexpectedly. Freezing rain is notorious for causing travel problems on roadways, breaking tree limbs and downing power lines. The glaze on roads can cause serious sliding and car crashes.
For safety, please stay indoors. Have a supply of food and water. Make sure you have enough for each member of the family, and a battery-operated flashlight. Keep warm. Listen to your NOAA weather radio newscast for latest info. Ice storms can drastically change the world because this could cause a new ice age and drop temperatures.
I hope you have learned a lot about ice storms. I see you later in the storms.